Imagine there is a message found to give you inner peace, balance in your life, and answers to your toughest questions. Do you know what it is? Many think Islam is just rituals and rules. But is it more than that? Is it a way of life? Why is Islam called the religion of peace? And what does it mean to submit your faith to God? In this video, we will start our journey to discover the true meaning of Islam. Simply, clearly, and without complication. The definition of Islam. Islam is the religion of a pure monotheism. It believes in one God, the one and only, with no partner. He is Allah, the creator of the heavens and the earth. Muslims believe that Muhammad, peace be upon him, is the last prophet, sent to complete the message of the prophets before him and call all people to worship Allah alone. The word Islam means submission to God, but it also comes from the word peace, because it's a religion that calls for peace with yourself, with others, and with the whole universe. The basic pillars of Islam. Islam is not just an idea you believe in, but a complete structure that based on 5 main pillars that form the heart of this religion. First, the testimony. To say from your heart, I bear witness that there is no God but Allah, and I bear witness that Muhammad is his servant and messenger. These words are not just a sentence, but a declaration of loyalty to Allah alone and confirmation that Muhammad, peace be upon him, is your prophet and role model. It's like whipping your heart from all false gods, money, fame, power, and linking it only to God. It's a new beginning, like saying, oh my Lord, you are my goal, and Muhammad is my guide. Second, prayer. It's your daily connection to God. 5 times a day, you leave the world for a few minutes. Stand before Him, talk to Him, and get strength and peace from Him. 5 times a day, you stop work, your phone, the world, and stand before God. It's like recharging your soul in the middle of chaos. Third, zakat, alms giving. Islam teaches you not only to worship, but to give. Zakat is a purification of your wealth and help for the poor. Mercy flowing from the believer's heart to their community. Only 2.5% of your wealth, but it makes a difference in someone else's life. It's like saying to the poor, you are not alone, I am with you. Imagine a businessman paying zakat and building an orphanage, or paying off the debts of those in need. Fourth, fasting. 1 month a year you avoid food and drink, not to deprive yourself, but to remember the hungry, train yourself in patience, and raise your spirit. Fifth, Hajj, pilgrimage. For those who are able, a journey to the house of God in Mecca, where the rich and poor, Arabs and non-Arabs, all wear the same clothes and stand equally before one Lord. Imagine millions of people from all nations wearing the same clothes, no difference between rich and poor, standing equal before God. Hajj teaches you humility, unity, and detachment from the world, even if only for a few days. But these pillars are not complete without faith, that inner light guiding the heart and mind. And this faith should be in 6 things: God, the great creator, His angels who never disobey God's commands, His revealed book like the Torah, the Gospel, and the Quran, His messengers sent to guide humanity, the last day where everyone will be judged for their deeds, and destiny, good and bad, because nothing happens in this universe except by God's will. These are the foundation of Islam. Building a person from inside and shaping a straight path in life. The purpose of Islam. Islam is not just rituals to perform. It's a message aiming to guide people to goodness, to achieve justice, and spread mercy among people. It's a call for balanced life between the soul longing for heaven and the body living on earth, between working for the hereafter and responsibilities in this world. Islam teaches you that prayer doesn't end on the prayer mat, but starts from it and shows in your manners, at home, at work, and in the street. It teaches you that true power is not controlling others, but controlling yourself in anger, in desire, in injustice. The goal of Islam is to make you a noble person who loves for the others what he loves for himself, builds the earth, and leaves a good impact wherever he goes. Peace in Islam. Do you know that the word peace is part of the name of this religion? Islam comes from peace because it's a religion that teaches you to start every relationship with the word peace be upon you. Islam calls for peace in everything. Peace among people, no injustice, no hatred, no revenge. Peace with nature, no corruption on earth, no waste, no harm. Inner peace. When you submit your heart to God, you feel calm no matter the storms around you. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, was not a man of war, but a man of mercy. He lived peacefully and he said, spread peace among yourselves. Even with those who harmed him, he responded with wisdom, forgiveness, and mercy, always calling for kindness. In Islam, true strength is not in revenge, but in forgiveness. Not in shouting, but in planting peace with a word, a smile, or an act. Universality and justice in Islam. Islam is not a religion for some people and not others. And it's not only for Arabs or for a specific nation. It's a message from God for every human being, no matter their color, language, or country. In Islam, skin color doesn't matter, nor how many followers you have, nor how much wealth you own. Everyone is equal because the true measure is taqwa. How honest you are with God, how pure your heart is, and how just you are with people. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said clearly, there is no superiority of an Arab over a non-Arab or a white over a black except by taqwa. In a time where people are valued by appearance, Islam rises you by your intentions, your justice, your mercy, and your heart. This is the justice of Islam, a justice that frees you from people's labels and gives you back your humanity, answering some misunderstandings. Some people may think that Islam is a religion of violence, but the truth, Islam is a religion of mercy. The first verse read in every prayer begins with, in the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most compassionate. Allah is the one who shows mercy before he punishes. And the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, was called the Prophet of Mercy. And some think that Islam forces people to accept it. But the Quran says clearly, there is no compulsion in religion. No one is forced to believe because the true faith came only by choice. And some misunderstand the place of women in Islam. But in truth, she is honored. A mother paradise is under her feet. A wife, Islam teaches kindness to her. A daughter, she is the way to the gates of paradise. Islam didn't push women away. It gave them back their honor at a time when they were being buried alive. You may have heard a lot about Islam from media, from people, or from personal experiences. But have you tried to hear about it from its original sources, from the Quran, from the life of the Prophet of mercy, peace be upon him. Islam is not an old story, nor a strange religion. It's a living message. It speaks to your mind, touches your heart, and guides your soul. And if you are searching for a meaning in your life, for a deep peace that doesn't change with life's problems, you may find an answer in Islam. You may find in it a peace you once thought was impossible. Just allow your heart to listen. Stay safe and in Allah's protection.